Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to remove unwanted objects from photos in Inshot. So in the case that you want to remove unwanted objects from photos in Inshot, all you have to do is to launch our Inshot applications. And from here, as you can see, I had already uploaded a video on my Inshot applications. From here, let's say we want to remove this object that is behind the motorcycle. All you have to do is, since Inshot isn't an advanced editing software like CapCut or Touch Retouch, we're going to use the sticker to hide the background when it comes to using Inshot. And we're going to choose the emoji that we are going to be using, going to scale the emoji. And from here, as you can see, we have already removed an unwanted object from photos in Inshot. And from here, we're going to tap on the save that is located here at the above. From here, it's going to be saved into our galleries. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.